Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Decide the library purpose and the public API surface before coding. Write short user stories to clarify functions and expected inputs. Initialize a node project with npm in it and pick node 14 or newer. Choose a module system, ESM for modern usage, CJS when compatibility is required. Add a README, MD with example usage and install instructions. Set semantic versioning like 1, 0, 0 and plan major, minor, and patch changes. Write modular functions with clear parameters and explicit return values. Keep functions small and document behavior with JS.doc comments for each export. Add unit tests using Jest and aim for at least 80% coverage on crucial modules. Use continuous integration like GitHub Actions to run linting and tests on every push. Bundle code with rollup and output both ESM and CJS builds for broader compatibility. Include type definitions or TypeScript sources to improve developer experience. Prepare package metadata: name, version, description, license, and repository URL. Protect tests and secrets using npm-ignore file and keep source maps optional. Publish packages with npm publish and verify the package contents before releasing. Use changelogs and semantic commits to document changes and to increment versions correctly. Automate releases with GitHub Actions to tag releases and publish on merge to main. Respond to issues. Accept pull requests thoughtfully and update dependencies regularly to maintain security.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.